students, welcome to my channel Mathematics Friend. Today we are going to learn complex roots of quadratic equation when one or more coefficients are complex numbers. Taking 4x square plus 4xi minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, implies that 4x square, that is 2x whole square, plus, here the sign is plus, so plus 2 cross, here a is 2x, so 2x into, we get 4x, we need I, so 2 into 2x into I, so a square plus 2ab, therefore plus I square is b square. We can write this I whole square. So I square is minus 1. So is equal to 0. 2x whole square plus 2 into x into I plus I square is equal to 0. It is in the form a plus b whole square. We can write this as 2x plus I whole square is equal to 0. We know I is equal to root minus 1. So I square is equal to minus 1. Implies that we can write a plus b whole square as a plus b into a plus b. So 2x plus I into 2x plus I is equal to 0. Now 2x plus I is equal to 0 implies that 2x is equal to minus I, implies that x is equal to minus I by 2, or 2x plus I is equal to 0 implies that 2x is equal to minus I, implies that x is equal to minus I by 2. So here is minus I by 2 and also minus I by 2, that is equal roots. Now consider another problem, problem number 2. I x square plus x plus 6I is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is I, imaginary number. Coefficient of x is 1, real number, but 6I, constant, is imaginary number. I write it again, ix square plus x plus 6I is equal to 0. So multiply equation 1 multiply equation 1 by I. it is better to multiply it by minus I. It will be better. So, if we multiply equation 1 by minus I, we can write this as minus I into I x square plus x plus 6I is equal to 0. Now see, plus into minus, minus I into I, that is I square x square, plus into minus, minus I into x ix, plus into minus is minus 6I into I square is equal to 0. We know I square is equal to minus 1. So, here I square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus. Minus 1 into minus. Minus into minus 1, that is plus 1. Implies that here plus x square minus ix and minus 6I square is equal to 0. Now factorize. We have to factorize it. So, coefficient of x square, here coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is minus 6I square. So, coefficient of x square into constant, multiplying coefficient of x square into constant, minus 6I, that is minus 6I square. If we factorize minus 6I square, we can write minus 3I into 2I, because 3 to the 6 and plus minus minus I into I square implies that x square minus 3I into x plus 2I into x minus 6I square is equal to 0. Here you see minus 3ix and plus 2ix gives minus 3ix. Implies that taking common from x square and 3ix, we get x into, in bracket, x minus 3I, bracket close, plus taking common from 2ix and 6I square, we get 2I in bracket x plus minus minus 3I is equal to 0. Taking common x minus 3I, x plus 2I into is equal to 0. Two factors, x minus 3I and x plus 2I. Therefore, x minus 3I is equal to 0. Implies that x is equal to 3I, or x plus 2I is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to minus 2I. So, two factors are x minus 3y and x plus 2y. Product of these two factors is 0. So if x minus 2y is equal to 0 or x plus 2y is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 3i and x is equal to 2i. There are two roots, two complex roots. One is 3i and other is minus 2i. If you something learn from this video, it will be helpful to you. For more updates, subscribe my channel and also like and share.